Hi and welcome back to my channel. I want to take a second to say thank you to my Patreon supporters. This is the full version of the Farfalle al Pesto from the short video that I made, and I start the water and cook the pasta. While the pasta is cooking, I add the homemade pesto in a bowl. I have a video in my channel on how to make it, and add a little bit of boiling water to it. So we're making the sauce for this pasta. I mix well, and I add some fresh Parmesano. That will give the sauce a creamier texture. Once the farfalle is done, I transfer it to the bowl with the sauce, not the other way around. Now I mix the sauce and the pasta. Don't worry, the pasta will absorb some of that sauce. Now I'm ready to serve. But I need a couple of things to complete the dish. This is a super easy dish. The toasted pine nuts, and I have a video on how to toast them. Check it out in my channel. And I need a little more Parmesano to complete the dish. I have to taste it, and it looks good. Check out my other videos. Chaito.